Welcome to our lesson about the mirror tool in the feature environment. In our previous lesson about the mirror tool, we were working in the sketch environment. This time, we're going to explore how the mirror tool works in the feature environment. Let's start with a sketch on the top plane. Now let's drop in a center line and a few circles. And a third circle. Let's activate the line tool now. We'll drop a line about here. Right-click and select to close the tool. And right-click Recent Commands, Line. Now I'm going to create a line that's tangent to the small circle. When I mouse over the big circle, the tangency and the coincidence symbol appear. Let's left-click to accept that relation. Right-click and select. Now Shift-select the line and the circle, the little circle, and add a tangent relation. Let's Shift-select this line and the circle. There we go. Tangent relation also. I'm going to drop one more line here. Right-click and select to close the tool. And now we're ready to apply some dimensions. Let's make this circle 30 millimeters in diameter. The larger circle will be 70 millimeters in diameter. Accept. And this circle, let's make 50 millimeters. Accept. Let's dimension the distance between these 2 points. Let's make it 100 millimeters. Next, let's use the Trim Entities tool to further refine my sketch. A few more lines here. Our sketch is fully defined. Let's exit the sketch. Take an isometric view. Activate the Extruded Boss Base command. Let's select this contour. We'll make it a mid-plane extrusion of 10 millimeters in depth. Accept. Let's activate the Extruded Boss Base command again and select Sketch 1. Let's select our contours now. For the end condition, let's select mid-plane, extrusion depth 15 millimeters, and let's accept. And let's pan our part a little bit to the right. Deselect everything by clicking an empty space. And now we're ready to activate the mirror tool. First, we select a mirror face or plane. Let's right-click and select Other. We're going to select this plane. Under Bodies to Mirror, we'll select this solid body. And now let's accept. Let's create some more geometry. Right-click on the top plane, New Sketch. Circle tool. Let me mouse over this edge. The center point of the supporting arc becomes visible. Left-click on that to place my new circle concentric to the center point of that arc. Now let's dimension it. 20 millimeters in diameter, OK. Exit the sketch. Activate the Extruded Boss Base command. We'll create a mid-plane extrusion of depth 15 millimeters and accept. Let's create one more sketch now. Now Smart Dimension. We'll make the diameter 10 millimeters. OK. And exit the sketch. Extruded Cut, End Condition through all, and let's accept. Let's activate the Zoom tool. Deselect everything, click in blank space, and let's activate the Mirror tool. Under Mirror Face Plane, let's select the right plane. Next, we need to select the features we want to mirror. Before, we selected the entire body. Now I want to mirror Boss 3 and Cut 1. Let's expand and activate Features to mirror. And then we make our selections, Boss Extrude 3, Cut Extrude 1, and accept. Oops, I didn't get the cut. Let's edit Mirror 2 and ensure that Cut Extrude 1 is selected. Now it appears in the selection box and we can accept. And we've completed our part. This concludes our lesson about the mirror tool in the feature environment.